I woke up and she was gone. Cops were there before too long. Guess she took the cash and ran. Such a clever girl, my Julianne. Then they took my trial to court. First degree, long story short. Judge called me a guilty man. DA never did find Julianne. And I wonder if she ever really cared for me at all. Or was I nothing more than just a guy to take the fall? I surely wanted her and I became her wanted man. I'd kill and die for my Julianne. Did she come to say goodbye, or maybe just to watch me die? As I make my final stand, it's bittersweet to see my Julianne. So now I take my final breath as the state puts me to death. Was it all part of her plan? Such a clever girl, my Julianne.